Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yep, another video here. I'm inside Superior Auto Sales in the back where they do a lot of their mechanical work and some of the other things that they have. So like I said, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, like, and the bell for notifications. Look them up online, srscars.com. You can find all their inventory there, prices. They do Carfaxes, and they can ship these cars anywhere you need to. There is going to be some noise back here, so there will be some background noise. It is a dealership. They're working on cars, they're conducting business. So I'm going to film some of the stuff they have here. This is the 2019 Corvette. This one actually just got sold. This is really, really nice. This one's going out the door. Somebody bought it. Yeah, this car is nice and mean. And here's a real funny picture for you. If you look up, the big huge truck back there. It looks like it's ready to just run them all over. So, yeah, you will hear people talking, like I said. And you will hear the intercom. Yeah, this is nice. This is pretty. Take a quick peek at the inside. Yeah, that's nice. Nothing to close that door. Grand National. What year it is, I don't know. There we go, there's the intercom again. Take a look at the inside, and what the mileage is, I do not know. Actually, let's see if I can stick the camera in there because I don't want to open the door. There you go. This car's big. Then you got this big thing. This thing's got to be brutal to drive. Yeah, you got this, then you have that. But I'll show you this truck in a second. This Grand National. I mean, look at, if I can get this. Here's the height of the bumper of this truck. Like, you can cleanly run over this car. Good Lord. And yeah, I will walk my way around the shop because the owners give me full permission to walk through and film everything. And then here is this big, oh my God, truck. At least I can show you underneath because I can crouch down and get right underneath this big thing. Yeah, somebody definitely spent some money on this. And in my other video, that Ford Mustang convertible, that Cobra, that is a pace car. I think the price on that one was like $24,000. And for only having 14,000 miles on it, that is a steal. Look at the suspension on this thing. Good God. I mean, the tires on it. Yeah. American Force rims. Yeah. Here's the tires. 28-inch rims. This is how, I mean, to give me an idea of the offset, okay? My whole hand will start here, and I can still go back. I mean, it goes past my wrist up to my forearm. It's huge. So, big 4-door. If I can, oh, there you go. The side rails come out. Yeah, this truck is all custom. Nice that the side rails come out. What year is this? 2015. Nick and Lori Izzo, huh? Good God. There we go. Oh, it's got air horns. Yeah, that don't And there's the tank. Look at the exhaust on that. Woo. ATS for run. Wow. Look at the dry shaft on it. It's huge. I mean, it's like the size of a 2-liter pop bottle. Thing is gigantic. I mean, I've seen videos on these trucks and stuff like that, but it's the first one I've got to see in person. It's big for no reason. It is cool. Yeah, I like how the shadow's on the door. There is the... Yeah, this truck's all undercoated. Thing is huge. Good guy. Massive. Wow. I don't even know what's in it for a motor. Another Cadillac. Love these old caddies. Another one just like that red one. Let's see what the year is on it. 1965. Okay, so that other one is probably a 60. Right around that. Not a 69, probably earlier. So I'm sure I'll get corrected in the comments. The quarter panels go forever. And beautiful car too. Well, the window needs to be replaced, but I'm sure they'll take care of that. That looks like it's still original. Wow. The hood, I mean, just that big. Like you could make a Honda Civic out of that hood. This one's nice. So, yeah, this one is. Let's take a look around and see what they got here for. This is their full service shop. So, it's a nice Audi. Yeah, like I said, they can do everything. You know? So, alright. Yep, full blown shop here, man. So, and take a look at the Woody here. Yeah. That's a cool looking car. Let's see what year it is. 1935. Hasn't been registered since 1998. This is cool. I'm not going to try and open this up. And they have a full paint booth and body department. So, yeah, they do everything there. From all their detail work, there's another Mustang right there. So they do everything in here. So, keep singing, you're on YouTube now. Come on, there's your 5 seconds of fame. Come on, man. We already got you singing, might as well keep going. You might get discovered. Yeah, good group of guys here. Yeah, their service department. It's a nice size. Yeah, BMW. That probably belongs to them. 330i. Yeah. Even though they can't stay back here too long. So. Polar fiber formula. I'm sure this one I'm sure it's low mileage. Yeah. There you go. There's their website. srscars.com. Not sure what year this one is. Let's see. 1990. Alright guys. Well, I'm going to stop this video here. Thought I'd give you guys a little bit more insight on what they do here. They can pretty much service all your needs. From mechanical to paint and body. You name it. They can pretty much do it. So hit that subscribe, that like, and that bell for notifications. And I'll see you guys on the next one.